Thinking of buying the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE 5G? Let me save you time. Advantages first, you're getting a stunning 6.4-inch AMOLED 120Hz display. Bright, smooth, and perfect for binging. The 50MP camera, pretty solid. Daytime shots pop, and there's even an 8MP telephoto. It's got flagship perks like Gorilla Glass 5, IP68 water resistance, and Samsung DeX, so you can plug in and go desktop mode. And hey, 4 years of Android updates, that's long-term love. Now the limitations. But it's not all shiny. No charger in the box again. It heats up with heavy use thanks to the Exynos chip. Battery? Just okay. Around 6 hours screen on time. And honestly, it's not a massive upgrade if you already own a recent Galaxy or Pixel. Final verdict. If you're after flagship features under $60K, this one checks the boxes. But if you're all about gaming or battery life, you might want to hold off. Link in description. Check your local pricing. And hey, follow signal and noise reviews that help you buy smarter.